Hi and welcome to another video of Rothenberger. My name is Alexander Fisches and today I would like to show you our new cordless sprayer. Our new cordless sprayer is called Rosanni Clean 15. 15 for 15 liters of tank capacity. You can use our sprayer for disinfecting surfaces, but you can also use our sprayer for cleaning and disinfecting air conditionings. Well, what makes this sprayer special? First of all, it is battery driven. It's suitable for our CAS battery, already well known, for example, in our press tools. Second point is the variable pressure adjustment. Next thing is the shape of our water tank. As you can see here, it is shaped in a very ergonomic way. In combination with the straps, it gives you a good fit for your back, so you don't have any back pains during your job.